Okay, so I observed something pretty weird today. Mostly it is related to educational purpose only, so I thought it will be related to our learning field. So I thought of sharing that with you guys. The first thing is when we actually look for some magnet link, that magnet link is of some different type. So here if you see when I highlight on this, so the link it shows like HTTPS mylink.cloud something, but usually the magnet link starts with magnet colon question mark. Here I observed something fishy here. So what's wrong and how we can get to the actual magnet link? So that's the thing. So if I blindly copy this link, and if I go and test it whether it is a valid magnet link or not, when we submit it, then it says invalid file or magnet link. Definitely it was looking like that, but how can we get back to that? Control V, if we see, let us analyze. So it starts with something, some website link, that is mylink.cloud, and it has some parameter URL is equals to. So definitely it is not the link that we are looking into, but we can observe something magnet is there. So if we see URL is equals to magnet is there. So what we can do is, let us first remove the first things before URL, whatever is there, let us remove that. So let me select whatever is there before magnet. Okay, then the next thing what we'll do is, it looks whenever there is some percentage symbol is there, so it looks like it is URL encoded. Okay, so it is one type of encoding, that is URL encoded. So let's try to decode it first. Okay, selecting it all in Notepad++, there is a very nice feature in plugins. If we go, there is mime tools. Let us select URL decode. Okay, so now it looks something different. So at least we get back to the colon question mark. So that looks okay. Now we can get back to another aspect also. There are still URL encoded characters, percentage is there, so you can go ahead and decode that again, but that may not need necessary as of now. Let us see whether that is a valid URL encoded or that is a valid magnet link or not. So Control A, Control C. Let us go ahead and check that again. Let me paste it here, submit. Yeah, so we got back to the actual magnet link. So this is the correct magnet link. It shows PS2 and CEDAR6. Again, in case we want to view the actual link, so that also we can see. Let us select that again, go to plugins, mime tools, and let us decode that once again. So now if you look into, there is no percentage is there. So now it looks like a actual link. So if you want to copy this also you can go and see. Control A, Control C. So that is also a valid magnet link. Submit. So this also it will consider like a actual correct link. See, just to show you guys. Yeah, so this is the magnet link. So in this way we can cover the concept of URL encoding and decoding. So how we can actually get to know whether a string is encoded with URL encoded or not by just looking into it. Okay, so here it looked like it is URL encoded twice, so we went ahead and decoded it twice.